Hey guys, this is Eric here from the Precious Paws family, and we are going to check out this Fisher Price alternate. So let's check it out. Whoa, check this out. This is the scoreboard, this is the target, and this is the softener, and this is the bowl.
So let's put the target onto the net and show them that it makes really cool sounds.
This has really cool sounds. It connects to numbers. 0 is off, and number 1 is on, and number 2 is extra on.
That's extra loud. Okay, so let's put it on there. So let's show them how it hooks up. You're just gonna hook it right onto there.
Wherever you want, you could put it here, you could put it there.
Right, you could just put it at wherever you wanna try to hit the bowl.
Right here.
Okay, so let's have you kick one. Do you have it turned on?
Turn it on. Okay. 3, 2, 1, let's see how to do it. See how to do it.
All right, woohoo!
You get 3 bowls in a row, it's a turkey.
Turkey, that's for bowling.
You could adjust the height.
Okay, so you have a couple of different heights here, and you can see right here, this is where it stops. There's about there's 3 different heights. So we can hook it up on the top so you can see the different heights. So if you want to hit a really high one, or you want to go super low.
These can turn up and down. It goes up to 5 scores.
Oh, that's really neat. So you can keep score for each player that's playing. That's really cool. You missed. All right.
Let me see if I get it to go backwards.
Oh, you gotta try again.